Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of fitness and health. Today, we're diving into three specific categories of fitness: general fitness, sport-specific fitness, and rehabilitation exercises. Each of these plays a unique role in our physical well-being, and understanding their differences can help you tailor your workouts to your personal goals. Before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at what each of these categories entails. Stay tuned as we break down the key aspects of each fitness type and help you discover which one aligns best with your needs. Now let's get started. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to Channel Fitness Inc. Today I'm breaking down the differences between general fitness, sports-specific fitness, and rehabilitation exercises. Each type serves unique purposes and is tailored to specific goals. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First up, general fitness. This is all about improving overall health and well-being. Think of it as the foundation of fitness. It includes cardiovascular exercises like running and cycling, strength training like weightlifting, flexibility exercises like yoga, and even balance exercises. The benefits: reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, improved mental health, and a better quality of life. Next, we have sports-specific fitness. This is tailored to enhance performance in a particular sport. It focuses on sport-specific strength training, plyometrics, agility drills, and technical skills. For example, sprinters need explosive strength, while soccer players work on agility drills. The goal here is to enhance performance, reduce sport-specific injuries, and improve skills needed for the sport. Finally, let's talk about rehabilitation exercises. If you're recovering from an injury, surgery, or a medical condition, this is for you. The focus is on restoring function, reducing pain, and preventing further injury. This includes range of motion exercises, strengthening exercises, balance and proprioception exercises, and functional training. The main benefit: it helps you regain normal function and mobility, reduces pain, and supports overall recovery. So, to recap, general fitness aims at overall health, sports-specific fitness enhances performance in a particular sport, and rehabilitation exercises aid recovery from injuries. Understanding these distinctions helps in creating effective and targeted exercise programs that meet your individual needs and goals. Thanks for tuning in to channelfitness.inc. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time.